And for the remaining passengers, life jacket is kept in a pouch in the panel overview. In the event of a hard landing, remove the life jacket from under the seat or from the panel above you. Take it out from the pouch, slip it over your head and secure the strap tightly around your waist. Put the red tag to inflate your life jacket or pull it to the manual inflation tube. After removing your personal mask, there is a water-activated light for attracting attention. Inflate the life jacket as you leave the aircraft exit and to remember to रखो window sheets खुले रखें. Take off your mobile phones को power off या flight mode में कर लें और अन्य इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरणों को बंद कर लें. साथ-साथ सामान को सामने वाली कुर्सी के नीचे आपकी सीट के ऊपर बने ओवरहेड बिन्स में ही रखें. यदि आप लोग एक में इमरजेंसी सीट के पास बैठ जाएं, तो कृपया साथ-साथ सामान को ओवरहेड बिन में ही रखें. आपकी जानकारी के लिए flight check lights with them. In preparation for departure, please fasten your seatbelts, close and tray tables. Keep your seatbelts attached and open doors of the sheets. But take off mobile phones to start the power off of flight mode.